Hi. In this video, I will show you the demonstration of the Lego car assembly process. Because of the time limit, I don't have to time set up the robot arm. I will use my arm and two finger to demo the robot arm movement. The steering wheel is tiny with special shape. It is a challenge to install it to an also tiny slot. So I designed a fixture for the steering wheel, which make it easy to insert into the tiny slot and release the steering wheel when the robot lifting up. Now the robot will pick up the car body to install the wheels. The wheels are positioned on the conveyor. The wheel inside is facing up to fit to the car wheel shaft. The car body is returned back to the fixture for robot arm, changing its pickup position. Now the robot arm install the last two wheels. In real scenario, the conveyor will move to the wheel to installing position at the end of the conveyor. Now the robot move the car body to the bumper station. At this station, the conveyor will run and push the bumper to the fixture to stable the unique shape of the bumpers. When the bumper completely sat on the fixture, the robot arm will correct the car body and align it to installing the bumper. The conveyor feeds next bumper in until 4 pieces of front and rear are installed. The robot will rotate to change position of the car body for each type of bumper or lights. From bumpers are installed. The robot arm rotates its wrist to correct the position to install the rear bumper. Rear bumpers are 2 pieces with different shapes. The fixture is also designed to hold different shape of bumper. We are done with the bumper station. Now the robot will return the car body to its fixture. Next station is the window station. At the window station, the robot will install the window glass to the frame, which are 3 identical pieces. The 3 pieces window frame are delivered by conveyor. In real scenario, the conveyor feed the frame to the install position. The robot arm only need to correct its orientation and position and straight down to install the frame. After assembling the window, the robot arm will move to the car body and install the window. Now is the last assembly, the cargo box, which is the easiest part in the whole process. The car is now completed and ready to delivery to customer. Thank you for watching.